Mastery for Forex Traders. Master smart money concepts that every trader must know. Learn how institutions move the Forex market and how to trade alongside them. Stop trading like a retail trader. Start thinking like smart money. Most traders struggle not because Forex is. Oracle FX. Overview. Master smart money concepts that every trader must know. Learn how institutions move the Forex market and how to trade alongside them. Stop trading like a retail trader. Start thinking like smart money. Most traders struggle not because Forex is impossible but because they are trading without understanding how the market is actually moved. Instead, they rely on lagging indicators. Enter trades based on emotions. Get stopped out by fake breakouts. Miss liquidity-driven moves. Trade against institutional order flow. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. This course was built to fix that. Imagine being able to understand how banks and institutions move the market. Identify liquidity zones where price is likely to react. Recognize stop hunts and market manipulation patterns. Read market structure like a professional trader. Align your trades with smart money order flow. Improve timing and precision on entries and exits. That is exactly what this course teaches you. Study at your own pace. Learn anytime, anywhere. Revisit lessons as needed. Build your skills step by step. Apply directly to live charts. Enroll now. Curriculum. Section 1. Introduction to Smart Money Concepts. Gain a clear understanding of smart money concepts and how institutional traders move the Forex market. Learn the core ideas behind liquidity, market structure, and price delivery so you can start thinking like professional traders from day 1.11. 1.1 Lesson 1. What are smart money concepts, SMC? 1.2 Lesson 2. The evolution of institutional trading. 1.3 Lesson 3, Retail Traders vs Smart Money. 1.4 Lesson 4, Understanding Market Manipulation. 1.5 Lesson 5, How Institutions Move the Market. 1.6 Lesson 6, Why Most Retail Traders Lose. 1.7 Lesson 7, The Core Principles of Smart Money Trading. 1.8 Lesson 8, Institutional Footprints in the Market. 1.9 Lesson 9, Building the Smart Money Trader Mindset. 1.10 Lesson 10, Overview of the complete SMC framework. 1.11 End of section. Multiple choice quiz, Section 1, Introduction to Smart Money Concepts. 20 minutes 20 questions. Section 2, Market Structure Fundamentals. Build a strong foundation in reading market structure by identifying trends, swing highs and lows, break of structure, and changes in market direction. This section helps you interpret price action with clarity and confidence. Point 11. Section 3, Liquidity Concepts. Understand how liquidity drives price movement in the Forex market. Learn how institutions use liquidity zones to execute large orders and how retail traders unknowingly create liquidity pools that the market targets. Point 11. Section 4, Liquidity Sweeps and Market Manipulation. Discover how smart money manipulates price to trigger stop losses before real market moves begin. Learn to identify liquidity sweeps, stop hunts, and inducements so you can avoid traps and trade with institutional intent. Point 11. Section 5, Order Blocks Mastery. Master the concept of order blocks and learn how to identify areas where institutions have placed large orders. Understand how to use bullish and bearish order blocks as precise entry zones for high probability trades. Point 11. Section 6, Fair Value Gaps and Imbalances. Learn how price inefficiencies form and why the market often returns to fill them. Discover how to identify fair value gaps, FVGs, and use them to refine entries and improve trade timing. Point 11. Section 7, Premium and Discount Zones. Understand how to determine whether the market is trading at a premium, expensive, or discount, cheap, level. Learn how to align trades with institutional pricing models for better risk-to-reward setups. Point 11. Section 8, Multi-Time Frame Smart Money Analysis. Develop a top-down analysis approach by combining higher time frame bias with lower time frame execution. Learn how to align structure, liquidity, and zones across multiple time frames for more accurate trading decisions. Point 11. Section 9, Smart Money Entry Models. Explore refined entry techniques used by professional smart money traders. Learn structured entry models that combine liquidity, order blocks, and confirmation signals for high probability trade execution. Point 11. We use cookies to improve your experience, including essential cookies required for the website to function. By continuing, you agree to our use of cookies.